Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I'm driving my 2024 Subaru Forester Sport on this channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the regular cruise control on your Subaru Forester. And basically, in order to use the system, once you're driving, you have to press this button right here. Once you press this button, the car automatically is going to enter into the adaptive cruise control mode. And as you can see, these are the lines. The following lines, as I call them, they're going to determine the distance. If you go like this, your car is going to be far away from the car in front of you. And if you go like this, it's going to be the minimal distance. But you don't need to know this now. All you need to know is that once you turn on the system, once you're driving, you have to hold this button right here. This one or this one doesn't matter. You hold it for about 2 seconds. And as you could see, the lines disappear and you hear a beep. And you see this little like speedometer in white. That means the system is in regular cruise control mode. But then you still have to press the button down like here. You press it down in order for the system to start actually working as a cruise control. Let me show you how it all works in practice. Let's go. Let's turn it off. All right, I started driving. This is another Subaru. Hello. So I started driving. I turn on the adaptive cruise control. I hold the button here for 2 seconds. Right now, I heard the beep. The square is in white, and I press it down. Nothing happens because I'm doing below 20. Has to be 20 miles or up. I press it down. Now it's in now it's in cruise control mode. So now we're still in cruise control mode, not adaptive mode. I press it down again. Nothing's happening because I'm doing below 20. Okay. I'm doing 21. I press it down. There you go. I'm doing 22 miles an hour now in regular cruise control. That truck in front of me, my car is going to slam right into the back of him, most likely, unless I press the brakes or unless the eyesight catches it, because it's not in adaptive mode. If you try to go below 20, the car's not going to let you. If you go up, like so, the car is going to pick up the speed by 1 mile interval. If you hold it for a few seconds, 2 seconds, as you see, it's jumping in 5 mile increments. All right, let me bring it down to 20 again, and we're doing 20 again. So that's how the regular cruise control works in your Subaru Forester. If you want to disable the whole system, you just press the adaptive cruise control button once right here. Now, as you saw, it went from green to white. That's square. And if you press it again, we just go into the regular speedometer. And now the whole system is off. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more useful videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.